Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Again, tool unboxing from China. As I mentioned in my previous videos, I like the quality. This is Chinese V new brand. I bought several accessories for my MFT table. So this is quite a big box. I will unbox and take out things from it and show you. This will be first glance review. Then I will assemble MFT style table again from Wera brand. I will show the whole process of assembling the table. Why I bought from Wera from China. As I mentioned in my previous videos, it's much cheaper compared with famous renowned brands, but the quality really good. Let's look what's inside. I will put the box next to me and take out box by box. As you can see, very good packaging. I know this seller. I bought from him in previous, so I trust him. Again, I am buying from China, from Taobao website. Okay, let's look what's inside this box. I'm guessing this is plates for rotor jig. I have rotor from Festool OF 140. The model for Festool rotor is 1400. I bought this plate. This is some kind of, not a plastic, not a metal. Frankly speaking, I do not know what kind of material they have made this, but it is really very sturdy. You can't know where to bend it. I bought this for my Milwaukee 18-volt trimmer rotor. I will put the holes by myself because in their template list they do not have for Milwaukee. But this one I believe for my Festool. This is aluminum version, as I remember. They have for Festool, so in ahead I bought this with holes for Festool. They put screws with them. You know, this is small things, but very convenient when you are buying something and you go here, there, finding some screws and so on to put together everything. This is template. You can see all models, holes for different type of models. Wera brand, aluminum. This is just a part for rotor template. I will put rotor here. In my next videos, I will show unboxing the rest of it. Templates for putting it on guide rail and doing your whenever you want to with rotor. More detailed I will show in my next videos when I will assemble my MFT style table on it. This handle very similar to Festool one handle type. They have different version of them and color black, as I remember red one. They have version which screw goes and here there is a hole to out, very similar to Festool handle. I think it will be open in this way. Again, small but very convenient thing. They put special square nut for I believe 8 and for 6 millimeters, so you can change them whenever size you need. So that's the handle. I think I will buy a red one also. Sorry. It goes down. Let's look what's inside the next. So I bought several of them. This again for MFT table. These two. Different type of accessories for them. Let's open, look inside. You can see holding clamp kit. You have slider. This will be useful when I assemble MFT style table. On the round of it, they have special slot for them. I can put and tighten. Things are working on it. I believe this is the same. Maybe I bought other color. Just no, the same color. I will put these kind of things really fantastically cheap in the China. For this clamp, I think I pay $4 or $5 for each. For this 4 set, I believe I paid $1 maximum. So consider to buying from China, especially some simple things. Again, some nuts, bolts for T-track slots. Just I'm buying extra things because whenever I need, I know that I have some extra and go take and do not need wait for a couple of months to receive from China. These drill bits again, Venu brand, very high quality but very aggressive. If you want to do very precise hole, it will not suitable for you. But doing holes on OSB and other wooden materials, when you want to do many holes fast, they are very last long. I bought it in a set because it's cheaper and extra the sizes which I regularly use in my work. Just a moment, I will look what inside of this. Very well packaging. Yes, this is accessories again for MFT table. I will need them in the perimeter of the table to put in and tighten something. I just bought them extra because if I do not need today, I will for sure need for them tomorrow. So I'm buying because they are very cheap. That's it. This is another tool unboxing video from China. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.